I rise to support the motion of thanks to the Governor address. Speaker, sir, while thanking the Honorable Governor for his address, I would like to say that it is a fact that this government, under the leadership of our Chief Minister, Dr. Pramod Sawant, along with his Council of Ministers, has done tremendous development for the betterment of Goa. I extend my words of appreciation to Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant for taking forward the vision of our Prime Minister of Viksit Bharat to ensure Goa is economically successful as well as socially and technically developed, as followed the concept of Antyodaya to ensure the rise and development of the last person in the society. Speaker, sir, Goa has successfully hosted the 37 national games with around 43 sports and over 10,000 athletes from 28 states and 8 union territories participating in this mega sport event, which is indeed a great achievement for the state. Speaker, sir, this was only possible because of our Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant and our Sport Minister Sri Govind Gowde, who took the initiative, and it was a proud moment for all the Goans. सगळे गोंयकारांक लागून कित्याक ते इनॉग्रेशनाक लागून 37 नॅशनल गेम्साक आमचो देशाचो प्रायम मिनिस्टर श्री नरेंद्र मोदीजी पर्सनली आमच्या फातोर्डा स्टेडियम ग्राउंडाचेर येयलो इनॉग्रेशनाक लागून, आनी हे बीग अचिवमेंट आमच्या आख्ख्या गोंयकारांक लागून, आख्खे स्पोर्ट्समॅनांक लागून. स्पीकर, सर, I also congratulate the Chief Minister and Minister of Social Welfare, Sri Subhash Phaldesai, for successfully organizing the International Purple Fest 2024, a first time of its kind, an inclusive festival that celebrates persons with disability. Speaker, sir, गेल्या वर्सावूय आमचे मिनिस्टरान श्री सुभाष फळदेसायन आमचो पप्पल फेस्ट केलेलो. हे फावटी तेंच्यांनी इंटरनॅशनल पप्पल फेस्ट केलो, जेचे कितलीशीं भुरगीं जी दिव्यांग भुरगीं आसली ती थंयसर पार्टिसिपेट जाली. आनी म्हाका दिसता हेजी तोखणाय आमच्या देशाचो प्रायम मिनिस्टर आसा श्री नरेंद्र मोदीजीन सुद्दां कितलेदा तोखणाय केल्ली आसा. इवन मन की बातान सुद्दां हेच्या बाबतीन तोखणाय केल्ली आसा. स्पीकर, सर, द लॉ एंड ऑर्डर सिच्युएशन in the state of Goa is under control with the crime detection rate at 85.83%. I appreciate the efforts of Goa Police in ensuring the law and order under control. Here I would like to mention that recently in Murmagaon constituency, जेन्ना सीएमाक आमी सांगलें की आमकां एक आउटपोस्ट जावो, पुलीस आउटपोस्ट, लास्ट असेंब्लीक हांव उलयलोलो, जाल्यार इमिजिएटली म्हाका मुर्मगांव कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सीन बायणा बीचा कडेन आमकां पुलीस बीट पोस्ट दिल्लो आसा, जेचें इनॉग्रेशन स्वता आमचे मुखेलमंत्री डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंतान येवन केल्लेलें आसा. तेज्या लागून आमी तेजे सगळे जाण मुर्मगांवकार आभारी आसा तेजे. तेच प्रमाणे जे पुलीस स्टाफ जे आमकां शॉर्टेज आसलेले तेवूय आमकां तेणेन थंयसर दिल्लेले आसा, आनी फूल फ्लॅज आमकां आउटपोस्ट तशेंच आमचें पुलीस स्टेशन थंय चालू आसा. तेज्या लागून आमी सगळे जाण मुर्मगांवच्या वाटेनसून हांव आमच्या चीफ मिनिस्टराक धन्यवाद म्हणपाक सोदतां. Speaker, sir, the economy of Goa has been tremendously progressed with gross state domestic product, which has increased by 33% and per capita income increased by 30%. I appreciate the effort of our Chief Minister, Dr. Pramod Sawant, who is working on the principle of Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas and Sabka Prayas to make Goa Atmanirbhar and Swayambhur, and walking in the direction to achieve success by implementing programs at various levels with a focus to reach government schemes service to every eligible citizen. Speaker, sir, I thank the Chief Minister for successfully launching the Goa Chief Minister Apprenticeship Training Scheme, wherein as many as 8,852 youth have been appointed as apprenticeship in both government and private sector. सर, रियली हे खूब एक बडे व्हडले अचिवमेंट आसा, कित्याक म्हजो मॅक्सिमम फायदो म्हाज्या कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सीन जाला. कितलेशे यूथ फ्रॉम मुर्मगांव कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सी हॅव बेनिफिटेड अंडर दीस स्कीम. स्पीकर, सर, launch of PM Vishwakarma Yojana has benefited Goans as around 33,000 Shramjiviji have been registered in Murmagaon constituency. I am happy to state that we have registered more than 900 Shramjivin participating in various trades. I congratulate the Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant for Goa being the first state in the country to start the training to these Shramjivis. कित्याक अजून पर्यंत खंयच्या स्टेटीन स्टार्ट करून आमच्या गोवान ऑलरेडी स्टार्ट जाले. आमच्या कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सीची जी रजिस्टर जाल्लेली आसा तेंची ट्रेनिंग जावन सुद्दां थोड्यांक सर्टिफिकेट सुद्दां येवपाक लागलेली आसा. स्पीकर सर, फॉर एम्पावरमेंट ऑफ वुमन, government has introduced the Mukhyamantri Annapurna Yojana, wherein the self-help group are permitted to run the canteen in various government departments, for which the rent is kept as low as 1,000 per month. Speaker sir, with respect to health, Goa has the state-of-art health infrastructure and providing excellent health service at GMC and other government hospital in the state of Goa. सर, आमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आसा आनी आख्खे इंडियेचे लोकूय मानता कित्याक गोंयांत जी आमचे कडेन हेल्थ फॅसिलिटी आसा ती सगळ्यांक बेस्ट फॅसिलिटी आसा. कित्याक हेजो फायदो आमी पळयता कितलेशे आमचे नेबरींग स्टेट्स जशे महाराष्ट्रा, कर्नाटका ते सुद्दां हांगा येवन हेजो मॅक्सिमम बेनिफीट घेवपाक लागलेलो आसा. त्याच प्रमाणे आमचे हेल्थ मिनिस्टराकूय आमी कॉंग्रेच्युलेट करता सर, कित्याक स्पेशली बिकॉज ऑफ सेटींग अप अ न्यू कॅन्सर हॉस्पिटल ही खरीच गरज आसलेली. कित्याक खुबशे लोक जे हांगा सफर जाताले तांकां ट्रिटमेंटाक लागून खूब जाणांक बॉम्बे या गोंया भायर वयचें पडटालें. तेज्या लागून म्हाका दिसता आख्खे गोंयचे लोक आमचे मिनिस्टर श्री विश्वजीत राणेंक खुबशे आभारी आसतले. स्पीकर सर, I would like to thank both the Chief Minister, Dr. Pramod Sawant, and the Health Minister, Sri Vishwajit Rane, for considering my proposal of a full-fledged 20-bedded PHC in Murmagaon, for which the process has already started. सर, आमकां खूब डिमांड आसलेलो आमच्या मुर्मुगांव कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सीन एक 20-बेडेड प्रायमरी हेल्थ सेंटर जावचें म्हणून, आनी तेज्या लागून हांव खरेंच आमचे हेल्थ मिनिस्टराचे उपकारी आसा. स्पीकर सर, with respect to agriculture, being declared as International Year of Millets, our government has encouraged the Goan farmer for millet cultivation by providing them 150 kg free of cost finger millets, ragi, and also incentive of rupees 20,000 per hectare for millet cultivation. Further, for marigold cultivation, the dedicated area has increased to 25 hectares. Soon there will be a time when the people will not buy marigold from other states. कित्याक आमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आसा आमकां दसऱ्याक दिवाळीक जी आमी रोजां घेता ती भायल्या स्टेटीनसून येता. हे जर अशें कल्टिवेशन जालें आनी गोवोरमेंटान हेजे भितर सिरियसली हो विशय घेतलो हातीन एग्रीकल्चर मिनिस्टरान, जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता आमकां हे भायल्या स्टेटीनसून हाडपाची गरज ना. त्याच प्रमाणे इन्क्रीज इन सपोर्ट प्रायस फॉर पॅडी, कॅज्यू अँड कोकोनट हॅज बेनिफीट फार्मर टू अ ग्रेटर एक्सटेंट. I thank the Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant and Minister for Agriculture Sri Ravi Naik for setting up a zonal agriculture office in Kortalim for Murmagaon Taluka, as this will benefit a lot of farmers of this Murmagaon Taluka. Speaker sir, with respect to education, there has been tremendous development in the sector of, as Goa is now educational hub where the students across the globe pursuing studies at various institutions that like National Institute of Technology, All India Institute of Ayurveda, National Forensic Science University, BITS Bilani, Goa Institute of Management, etc. Our Chief Minister, who is also the Education Minister, is committed in delivering the substantial quality of education by imparting training, research, innovation, development of curriculum and teaching in view of the National Education Policy. Introduction of new schemes such as Maji Lab, Bari Lab and Vidya Sahaya scheme will go a long way in the field of education in Goa. खरंच सर, आमच्या एड्युकेशना भितर इतली आमची प्रगती जाल्लेली आसा आनी स्पेशली एक न्यू विचार जो आमचो गव्हर्मेंट स्पेशली आमचो मुखेलमंत्री त्याने हाडलेली आसा. इवन माझी लॅब, बरी लॅब ही सुद्दां कितलोसो डिमांड सगळ्या स्कुलांनी जाल्लो. म्हाज्या कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सी स्कुलांचे सुद्दां लोक कितलेशे आमकां सुद्दां ही लॅब दिवची म्हणून अशें डिमांड जाल्लो आसा. अंडर द मिड डे मील स्कीम, around 163,123 students from standard 1 to 7 standard are covered. I thank Chief Minister for increasing the remuneration of Bal Ratna drivers from rupees 10,000 to 17,000 and also attendant from rupees 5,500 to rupees 10,000. Speaker sir, with respect to sports, due to the excellent sport infrastructure and coaching in the state, Goa secured 9th position in the medal tally for the first time in the history of national game with a total of 92 medals. Further, a total of 80 numbers of projects pertaining to national games were completed in record time amounting to rupees 280.99 crores. While I congratulate all the medalists, I would like to congratulate our Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant and our Minister for Sports Sri Govind Gowde for the achievement. Speaker, sir, with respect to PWD, I congratulate the Chief Minister and the entire PWD team for the new bridge, new Zuari Bridge, which is India's second longest cable-stayed 8-lane bridge, and also for laying the foundation stone for observatory tower and viewing gallery at the top of new Zuari Bridge, and also 6-lane elevated corridor on NH16 at Porvorim. I would like to thank the Union Minister for Roads, Transport and Highway, Sri Nitin Gadkari ji, for all the support for this project. Speaker, sir, I thank Chief Minister for implementing of MLA LED scheme by providing an additional of rupees 2.5 crore annually to all the Assembly constituency to taking up the development work. I request the Chief Minister to kindly look into the work proposed from Murmagaon constituency for its early execution. Speaker, sir, first time अशें जाला की आमच्या गोंयांत अशें केन्नाच नासलें की MLA फंड्स मेळटाले. फर्स्ट टायम अंडर द लिडरशीप ऑफ डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत आमकां हे फंड्स येवपाक लागलेले. अशें न्हू कितें फक्त रोलिंगाच्या आमदाराक, हे 40 आमदारांक जे हांगा कोण अगेन्स्ट उलयता तांकां सुद्दां हे पयशे येता आनी हेजो बेनिफीट तेंच्या कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सीन तांकां आपल्याक जाय ते प्रोजेक्ट घेवपाक लागून फायदो जातलो. स्पीकर, सर, विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू पावर, गव्हर्मेंट हॅज एडवायज 10 package under revamp distribution sector scheme for ensuring 24/7 uninterrupted power supply, which include replacement of old transformer centers, recondition of old 33 kV overhead conductor, 11 kV LT underground cabling, etc. So, आमचो जो पावर मिनिस्टर आसा, ही इज व्हेरी केपेबल आनी म्हाका दिसता ही इज गोईंग अंडर द रायट डायरेक्शन. हांव परत तांकां एकदां उगडास करपाक सोदता पावर मिनिस्टराक, ते आमचे बंच क्लेबिंगाचो खंय पावलेलो आसा इश्यू तो तेंच्यांनी मातसो आमकां मागीर सांगचो. स्पीकर, सर, विथ द रिस्पेक्ट टू इंडस्ट्रीज, आवर गव्हर्मेंट हॅज इनिशिएटीव फ्री फ्लो ऑफ इको फ्रेंडली इंडस्ट्री थ्रू गोवा स्टार्टअप पॉलिसी, एग्री एक्सपोर्ट पॉलिसी and information technology investment policy. Commercially, plots will be made available to industry through simplified auction route to enhance revenue and job opportunity. Further, with the launch of logistic and warehousing policy 2023, Goa can emerge as logistic hub, which will create ample of job. Sir, हो एक बरो डिसिजन घेतलेलो आसा आमच्या इंडस्ट्री मिनिस्टरान सर मोविन गुदिनोन, कितें लॉजिस्टीक एंड वेअर हावजींग पॉलिसी 2023 हेच्या भितर कितलेशे कंपनी जे आसा ते आमच्या गोंयांत इन्वेस्ट करपाक सोदता. कित्याक गोंयान वील बी द इंडियाज बिगस्ट हब फॉर लॉजिस्टीक एंड वेअर हावजींग. कित्याक तेजेर पोर्ट कनेक्टिविटी आसा, आमकां MPSO पोर्ट आसा ते कनेक्टेड आसा, एक बरो रोड कनेक्टिविटी आसा, सगळे आसा, आनी वी हॅव अ लॉट ऑफ प्लेस एट वेर्ना. सो म्हाका दिसता हे जे डिसिजन आमच्या गव्हर्मेंटान घेतल्यान, स्पेशली आमच्या इंडस्ट्री मिनिस्टरान, म्हाका दिसता हेजो मॅक्सिमम फायदो आमच्या गोंयकारांक लागून जातलो. सर, स्पीकर, सर, मातशें 2 मिनटां घेता. सर, स्पीकर, सर, द नोटिफिकेशन ऑफ reimbursement of green tax and fitness fee to the mining affected truck owner scheme 2023 provide financial assistance to the tipper truck owner who have been already affected due to the closure of mining, and related activities will go a long way to overcome losses to some extent. Speaker, sir, with respect to tourism, with the approval of homestay and bed and breakfast policy and caravan tourism policy, Goa Tourist now leads the tourist away from the traditional sun, sand and surf to take a deep dive and engross in the shade of the vibrant green environment, tradition and tradecraft festival and culture of the state. Our Minister for Tourism, Sri Rohan Kaute, has been constantly putting effort to get quality tourists in the state of Goa, and I congratulate him for Goa being awarded prestigious Outlook Travel Award 2023. Speaker, sir, I would request the Minister to kindly consider our various proposals related to tourism placed before the Minister for consideration in my constituency. Speaker, sir, we should also applaud for the efforts of the Chief Minister and Minister for creation of a separate department for empowerment and inclusion of persons with disability, which will cater to all the notified disability as per right of person with Disability Act 2016. Last year, the students with disability from Goa represented India in various sports at the 2023 Special Olympic World Summer Games in Berlin, and with a total of 19 medals, which includes 9 gold medals, were won by the Goan students. And म्हाका दिसता हेजे full credit आमच्या गोयच्या मुखेलमंत्री तशेंच आमचे मिनिस्टर श्री सुभाष फळदेसाय आनी हे सगळे पार्टिसिपेटांक वयता. स्पीकर सर, before I conclude, I congratulate the Chief Minister as the Goa State Minority Finance Development Corporation has been bestowed third rank among the best performing state in Western Zone by the National Minority Development and Finance Corporation. Speaker sir, आतांच खूब जाण हांगा उलयताले कदंबा बस स्टँड जो आमचो मडगांव आसा तो बऱ्या कंडिशनान ना, बट खंय तरी तेंच्यांनी आमचे मुखेलमंत्रीक शाबासकी दिवंक जाय, कित्याक आमचे प्रायम मिनिस्टरचे विजिटेच्या निमतान आयज जो बस स्टँड आमचो मडगांव आसा इतलो सुंदर बस स्टँड जाला. आख्खे थंयसरले हॉट मिक्स जाल्लेले आख्खे आमकां दिसता शेड चेंज जाल्लेले आसा आनी एक सुंदर बस स्टँड म्हाका दिसता ऑलरेडी जाल्लो आसा. कित्याक आमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आसा कदंबा बस स्टँड जो मडगांवचो आसलो कितलींशीं वर्सां त्याच कंडिशन आसा. कितलेशे ते सालसडी रेचे मुखेलमंत्री जावन गेले, डेप्युटी CM जावन गेले, मिनिस्टर जावन गेले, बट बस स्टँड तसोच आसलेलो. आमी खऱ्यांनी सगळ्यांनी मेळून आमच्या मुखेलमंत्रीक शाबासकी दिवंक जाय, कित्याक ताणें इनिशिएटीव घेवन आयज जो आमचो मडगांवचो बस स्टँड म्हाका दिसता बरे ताका युजाक घातलेलो आसा. त्याच प्रमाणे आमचो वास्कोचो जो बस स्टँड आसा जो आख्खो मुर्मगांव तालुकाक फायदो जाता. म्हाका दिसता आमचो ट्रान्सपोर्ट मिनिस्टर श्री मोविन गुदिनून आयज इनिशिएटीव घेतलेलो आसा आनी म्हाका दिसता एक व्हडली कंपनी, ते आमी नांव आतां डिक्लेअर करपाक सुद्दां खंय तरी फुडाकार घेतलेलो आसा 2 PPP मॉडल. म्हाका दिसता हो आमचो वास्कोचो जो बस स्टँड आसा एक व्हडलो पेंडींग डिमांड आसा सगळ्या लोकांचो. म्हाका दिसता तो बेगीनच्या बेगीन हो खंय तरी कंपनी ही जी एग्री जाल्लेली आसा हो बस स्टँड बांदपाक लागून म्हाका हे इनिशिएटीव घेतले दिसता. आनी तेज्या लागून परत एकदा थँक्यू सर. स्पीकर सर, थँक्स अ लॉट.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.